For this, we will need an adapter here. This is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Then you will need obviously your tablet, the full-size keyboard here, and the USB-A adapter that came with the keyboard. First, connect the USB-C side of the adapter to the USB-C side of the tablet here. And then all we have to do is just take the adapter that came with the keyboard, connect it to the USB-A side of the adapter, which should just go in only one way. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and check the tablet now. Now let's go ahead and press this key, which works perfectly fine. Yep, escape, okay, that's fine. Yep, but as you can see here, this one works perfectly fine. Now we can move around and just hit enter, and there we go. That's how you easily can now use a USB keyboard with a tablet or a Samsung tablet.